What's up, you guys? I'm going to talk about why there's a little spark between Cardano and BitTorrent that many people don't really know about. And if they do, well, it's still floating a little bit under their radar. And no, I'm not punch drunk. And no, I'm not making it up. I'll prove it to you. What I'd like you to do, I'm going to first talk about how Cardano is also leading on GitHub hits. But before I do that, if you're new to the channel, comment down below. We do occasional giveaways and we pick people from the commenters. You need to comment, subscribe, and hit the bell, and also hit the like button. Now, if you like the sound of how I started off, I'd like you to do me a favor. Hit that like button and hit that bell and subscribe. If you haven't already, half of you are not subscribed. And you know what? It really is a little bit disheartening. No, I'm kidding. Look, sometimes I forget about the content creator too, and I'm guilty of this. I watch the content, I enjoy it, I like it, and then the next thing I know, I'm on to the next video and I've forgotten to just subscribe, hit the bell, and hit the like button. So if you could do that, it really goes a long way to support the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Now, Cardano leads the pack with the most developer activity in 2021. A new report released by Sentiment reveals interesting information, with some less popular tokens attracting significant developer attention. Cardano leads the pack in 2021 with respect to daily active developers. I don't know if you've ever listened to Charles Hoskinson speak. He reminds me a little bit of Steve Jobs. If you disagree, have that in mind the next time you listen to him speak. Let me know what you think, and if you're already there and you're on my wavelength, comment down below and let me know what you think. I want to hear from you. Uniswap is and I'm not comparing them, I'm just saying his demeanor and the way he communicates his thoughts. That's all. Uniswap is among the top 20 DeFi protocols that have attracted developer activity in the last year. A report detailing developer activity for different tokens, and I'm going to get into the spark of the BitTorrent Cardano connection very soon, for different tokens was released by Sentiment, which can be an essential indicator of how successful a project can be in the long term. A platform called GitHub provides statistics on developer activity. GitHub is a software repository site of choice for projects like Solana, Polkadot, Ethereum. You get the idea. Listen, when the GitHubbers are jumping all over Cardano in particular, you know that things are going right. You definitely know that something that right now is trading around, right this second, I don't know, it's around $1.34, $1.38. This, in my opinion, and it's not financial advice, but I believe it's one of the surest ways for us to double our investment. I don't think you're going to 1000x, but I think that it's one of the surest ways of all the coins out there, just in the next 12-month window. Percentage speaking, I think it's as good as any to double of the doublers. And yes, there's others that I think are going to do more than double. That's not what this video is about. And no, I'm not changing teams. And no, I'm still, yes, very bullish on BitTorrent, BTT, and Tron TRX. However, just want to talk a little bit about Cardano today. And yes, I'm going to get to the BitTorrent Spark connection in a minute. So let's take a look here and let's see. Cardano presents a buy opportunity before ADA hits $2 for a 40% swing. This is from FX Street. So I think it's a $3. I disagree. I think it's a $3 in 12 months. Let's see what they say and what their time frame is if they give us one. Cardano price action develops a bullish continuation pattern on its point and figure chart. Downside risks remain, but by the way, if you're a member of the channel, you know, actually I think I gave this one away as a freebie. I called The dollar, I don't remember right now because there's just so many different trades and so many different things going on, but I believe I called $1.30-ish or 31-ish, and I gave it a week, the week leading up to December 23rd, that I said that I felt it would hit, I believe 140 or slightly above, and it did. So that was just for a trade. Cardano price develops bullish entry setup. By the way, if you'd like to get a free taste of some of those trades, all you have to do actually go to entrepreneuramg.com, entrepreneuramg.com, and pump in your email address. It's free to do. You'll get some alerts, and it'll give you a taste of what members experience, a little taste, so you have an idea of what you may be missing out on. Now, Cardano has recently converted into a bull market on its O2 3-box reversal point and figure chart. The daily candlestick chart, however, continues to show weakness. That weakness has caused many hands to abandon Cardano and new short positions to open at the bottom as a result. A spectacular bear trap is likely developing. I definitely agree, and there's going to be a lot of bloody paws that are going to get caught in that snare. There is a hypothetical long entry opportunity for Cardano price. The long idea is a buy stop order at 142, a stop loss at 134, and a profit target at $2. So, my opinion, not investment advice, and I've said this weeks ago, even going back, I think a couple months ago now, 150 I had said 3-4 months ago, and anywhere below that, you basically, in my opinion, if you're not doing it for a trade, if you're doing it for a hodl, you can't go wrong. I see doubles. I see $3 in my opinion by the end of this year for sure, if not sooner. The long entry assumes that a corrective wave has been fulfilled when price dropped to 134, fulfilling wave 2 of an Elliott impulse wave. The 161.8% Fibonacci expansion of wave 1 is at $1.98, just shy of the $2 level. The project profit target utilizing the vertical profit target method in point and figure is $2. Traders should look for a Cardano price to face some selling pressure in that range. So, the hypothetical long idea is invalidated if Cardano price moves below $1.30. In that scenario, Cardano will likely return to bear market conditions with new setups targeting price levels below the $1 value area. I don't think that's going to happen. I do not agree at all, and I do not even agree with the 130 line in the sand in terms of a trade if you're doing it for a not a trade rather, but if you're doing it for a hodl, looking for a double by the end of the year, an easy park it, set it and forget it. That's my opinion there. Now, as promised, the little spark. So Hoskinson was asked a while back, Cardano CEO, Tron acquisition of BitTorrent has a very good scalable protocol. That's what he thinks. And if you value his opinion at all, which I do, I think this is pretty good news. It's old news, but it's something not much talked about. Cryptocurrencies face 3 major challenges as they evolve: scalability, interoperability, and sustainability. The CEO of Cardano spoke at an event on the platform BitTorrent and raised the Tron acquisition BitTorrent protocol in the highest regard. So this is Token Mantra, the source. Charles Hoskinson, founder and CEO of Cardano and co-founder of Ethereum, recently stated that BitTorrent has a well-functioning protocol that has already been proven its practicality worldwide. He explains that many consumers have already used the prominent example themselves, freely translated. So what do we want to do in terms of scalability? Are there any examples of scalable protocols? Probably everyone has used it before. It's called BitTorrent. Hoskinson said BitTorrent's download speed is incredibly fast and its resources are growing fast as more people use BitTorrent, so more technical capacity is being brought in. Video before this, I talked about how BitTorrent is going to be the sleeper and become the champion of NFT, and with a billion user base, can you imagine how many accounts are going to pop up and how much money it's going to produce? If Hoskinson thought it was great in 2018, do you think it's improved just since then? We're 2022. Well, why is it getting faster? When people join the torrent of a torrent, a billion users, guys, a billion. They usually add more resources than they need. So more people, more resources, faster, better performance. This is a really good distributed system. That's why 500 million users, for this reason, 500 million in 2018. We're 2022 at $1 billion. Guys, check out the article, Token Mantra. As usual, I hope this finds you healthy, happy. Hit that bell, help support the channel, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love it if you did. Hope this finds you healthy, happy, as I said, and I will see you on the next video.